Once logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your agents. Agent status shows the total number of agents registered and how many of them are currently online or offline. Agent count by week displays the amount of agents that have been registered over time. OS distribution displays a breakdown of your operating systems your agents are currently installed on. The map shows the estimated location of your agents around the world. This location data can vary depending on the system's capabilities, but can be accurate within a block or two. You can zoom in and out on this map by using the plus or minus buttons, your scroll wheel, or just clicking on the map.